Dear friends, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Today we will learn how to install Altera UP simulator or Altera Qsim. So this is our Altera UP simulator installation file. Just double click on the file, click on yes, next, yes. This is the installation directory. Don't change this uh, root directory. Click on next. Ensure here is select full and all the tools are selected to be installed. Click on install. Yes, I want to place a shortcut icon on my desktop. So click on yes. Yes, I want to place a shortcut on desktop for Altera monitor program. So click on yes. Click on next and click on finish. Here is two icon. One of them is Altera monitor program and one of them is Altera UP simulator. Click on Altera UP simulator. The Qsim program does not start. Here we have to edit the target link a little bit. Bin 64, just remove 64. Then try to start. Yes, Qsim is started. So Altera UP simulator installation successful.